be playing some. We're in Brookhaven currently, and yeah, don't really know what I'm gonna do yet, but I'm gonna try and find an apartment. Can't exactly remember where they are, so. Now we're just gonna head up the stairs and find a nice apartment to live in. Oh, nice, this one's vacant. I just want to see if there's one at the top. Okay, I'll take this one. Yeah, let's see, which one do we like? Yeah, let's go with this one. Looks good. Wow, this is nice. Nice balcony area. Here we have a pooly area. If we just come up here, a nice pool lights, I'm assuming. A nice infinity pool with 2 edges and 3 edges. And I think that's going to wrap it up for this video here. So you guys can find it. Somewhere over here. We have a nice area here. A nice bedroom. And another one. A kitchen. A dining room. Bathroom. Just can't find the way to the pool. There must be a way up somewhere. Let me get it up here. Up there somewhere. Oh yeah, then we have a bunk bed.